Greetings! Last time we learned how to work with material providers. Let's now have a look at the reverse situation. Let's assume that our company supplies materials to a manufacturer and places a tolling order with them. We'll pay for the services after we receive the finished products. When we released our first hoverboats, we found out that aluminium frame quickly darkens due to weather conditions. But we already purchased a large batch of aluminium frames, so we decided to cover them with enamel. We don't have the equipment to do this, so we'll use the services of another company. We'll call this company a toll manufacturer or a toller. There are three ways to generate a tolling order. First, we can create it on the basis of a bill of resources for a specific production stage. For example, we can perform the first production stage ourselves and let the toller perform the second one. Such orders are displayed in the To Register tab. Second, we can create an order by the Demand Supply method. To create such an order, go to the Register tab and click Create by Demands. And finally, the third method. We can create an order to the toller that does not depend on any other ERP objects. To do this, go to the Register tab and click Create New. Now let's assume we purchased 20 units of aluminium frame. We are going to hand over these to toller for enamel coating. The workflow is similar to the material provider's order, but in reverse. Transfer of materials, receipt of products, report. Let's create tolling order now. Click Create New. Set toller to Alpha. Set company to SBS Manufacturing. Go to the Finished Products tab. Add the product and name it as aluminium frame covered with enamel. Set quantity to 20 pieces. Set product warehouse to SBS Central Warehouse. Go to the Materials tab. Add the product and name it as aluminium frame. Set quantity to 20 pieces. Set warehouse to SBS Central Warehouse. Set costing item to main materials. Set shipment date to today. Go to the Processing Services tab. Set products to painting by toller. Product type of painting by toller is work. Set amount to €200. Set costing item to toller services. Set status of the document to for completion. Now save the document and go to the Materials tab. We've purchased several aluminium frames behind the scenes. Click Actions, Ship. If you don't see this command, please make sure that you selected SBS Central Warehouse. If you specified another warehouse to purchase the goods, or didn't record the receipt of goods, this command will be unavailable here. This warehouse has the advanced scheme. Okay, you gave the shipment command. Now we can move on to recording raw material transfer. To do this, go to Manufacturing, Transfer to Tolling, Documents to Register, and open the Raw Material Transfer tab. Select our order and click Register by Orders. Click Post and Close. Now we're going to record a document named Product Receipt. This document is recorded when we receive our products from the manufacturer. Head over to the Product Receipt tab. Select the document for our order and click Register by Orders. Open the Products tab. Let's make sure that there are 20 pieces of receiving finished products. Aluminium frame covered with enamel. Click Post and Close. Now let's go to the Reports tab and create the last document. Click Register. The toller report document opened. Let's check the information filled in automatically. The Products tab displays the quantity of products issued by the toller. The materials which the toller received from us and used are in the Materials tab. In the Processing tab, we can see the services which the toller provided us with and their cost. The document is filled in correctly. Click Post and Close. Now go to Manufacturing. Manufacturing Reports. Transfer to Tolling. And open a report named Product Delivery Control by Toller. Set filter by our company and click Run Report. As you can see, 20 units of aluminum frame covered with enamel are ordered for tolling. Great! Today we learned about the reverse tolling production and recorded the entire workflow, from the order to toller to the toller's report.